What's up, people? This is Mark reporting to you from Vapesterdam, where the clouds are always overhead and we are not worried about rain, if you know what I mean. We've got a tasty little piece for you today, the Flowermate V5 Nano. I picked up the Flowermate V5 Nano. It is all quality for no price. It is a great budget vaporizer. It's well built. It has mouthpiece storage, removable 18650 battery, haptic feedback, aluminum body. Like, I can't give enough props to Flowermate. They've kind of really narrowed down exactly what every vaporizer needs in the market and are just pumping it out for a cheap price. This magnetic funnel that comes with it, like, I know it's just like a little cheap piece, but I really think like every unit on the market should have one of those. In terms of vapor quality, Flowermate has really taken it to the next level. I mean, this is a conduction-convection hybrid. Yes, there is a chamber that you're loading your herb into that does get hot, so it's mostly conduction, but for a budget device, to use convection heating is fantastic. The Flowermate V5 Nano has great draw resistance. I get about 10 sessions per charge, which is okay. In terms of look and feel, the Flowermate V5 Nano is fantastic. Like, it's sleek, it's black, the buttons are really simple to use. I love the storage container on the bottom for the mouthpiece. The sliding door could be of better quality, but really I'm just being nitpicky because at 130 bucks in and around, like, this thing delivers on all levels. It's got a black ceramic chamber, which, like, I don't think does anything different than the old Flowermate white ceramic chamber, but just looks fucking way cooler. It really just fits in your hand, and nobody's gonna be able to tell what this is. 5 taps to turn it on, and then remember to press and hold to get it started heating up. Fully customizable temperatures. It goes from 104 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 446. I don't know why you'd be vaping that high with a unit like this, because the flavor will be bad. It also comes with a concentrate pad that I'm quite sure I will not use on this unit, but these are just things that I'm getting nitpicky about. For the price point, this thing is phenomenal and super easy to use. The portability of the V5 Nano is pretty solid. Like I said, if you pack up an 18650 pack and just take a couple of them on the go, you won't have to worry about keeping it charged up or bringing a battery pack along. It really seems to have achieved a balance between portability and performance. The Flowermate V5 Nano is discreet as fuck. It is all black, it looks like a box mod when you have the mouthpiece on, but the mouthpiece can be stored, which means even more discreetness. Like, really, this thing looks like a power bank, and it fits in your hand really well. And with that funnel, like, it's such a shitty little piece, but I fucking love it. Because if you're out in public or whatever, you know, like, we've all done it, where you're trying to load your unit and it's fucking spilling everywhere and you look like a goon, throw that funnel on and put your herb in and it will be super easy and super contained. The Flowermate is a great budget device, but let's take a quick look at the pros and cons. Pros: it has good draw resistance, combination conduction convection heating, and a removable battery. Cons: battery life is okay, but like I said, the removable battery kind of takes care of that. The lid doors are not as high quality as I would like them to be, and at higher temperatures, the vapor gets f***ing hot. Overall, I'd recommend the Flowermate V5 Nano to anyone looking for a budget device with all the things you've come to want in a higher-end vaporizer. It really is just a solid all-around device. As always, thanks so much for checking out our review of the Flowermate V5 Nano. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video, click subscribe if you really enjoyed it. To find out more, be sure to visit vapesterdam.com to check out reviews, showdowns, and rankings. My name's Mark, and until next time, stay cloudy.